I was going to look for something called moengalo.
Kamar cái sama le lau mút, mà le ngồi xe lau mút vậy, rồi kamar le ngồi ngang. Dầu mà lên về phải xa. Como é que agora passeou vão?
A maior fachada. It's a pretty good hold.
Nó quay cái này nó passeou. À, cảm ơn. Oh, tinggal salah.
Salah. Ken's gonna get us some coconut. You have to be careful, or one will fall on your head.
Heavier. Whoa! Ça va?
This one fell right on the rock. Split. This is moso oi. We actually use moso oi, the flour, to make our oil, massage oil. This is the fruit of the tree before it becomes a flower. It flowers yellow. It smells really nice. Ai foi full.
Foi ayat amal. So foi lang ayaka. De valiel mele ayat pemal ayaka.
There is coffee. Yeah. Thank you.
Pingue de luau.
Luau. It's like a guava married a V. It's actually nice, I never knew. We're just getting some watercress for the salad. We made it down here to Tau's plantation. What we're doing now is we're setting up an area to make our umu, traditional Samoan cooking oven. There's a lot of versions of it around across the Pacific. This is our version of it.
Yeah. Mana de di siapa batu gua full mama. Oh, man. Tahu mat.
So Tao right now is getting luau or palusami. Ito. Ito nga pipio. That's the wild passion fruit leaves that we got earlier. And Tao's also you're gonna make the moso oi. It reminds me of an olive, and the texture is actually like an olive. So there's also a little seed, a hard seed inside like an olive. Opposite in terms of taste.
Yeah.
Adding some of the passion fruit leaves in it, and he's also adding some of the moso oi. I'm just gonna call it Samoan olive into there as well. Oh, we got some pork. Everyone. Wait. Yeah. While our omu is cooking, we are just going to go see if we can find some prawns for our salad. Just made a huge mistake. This is ka'amu. Tao earlier was peeling it. I came and I sat down on this. I sat down right over there. Forgot that ka'amu is like very itchy. My butt itches. My butt itches really bad right now. Don't sit on a spot where freshly pure ka'amu is. Some watercress. This looks really good. Some mayonnaise. Prawns is going in. Ooh. Wow, yeah. So I was now putting some coconut into the salad. We've got now pawpaw, watercress, some prawns, and now we've just added some coconuts and mayonnaise. This is the lemongrass that Tao picked this morning on our way here. I have had lemongrass tea in Australia, but I've never had fresh lemongrass. Oh man, look at that, guys. That's lemongrass tea and with some coconut.
Mà ngon gì đâu.
Oh yeah, wow, awesome. That's actually really good. Oh, probably my favorite tea. Green tea is normally my favorite tea, but this is definitely my favorite tea now. Coconut juice. Our umu's now ready. On the menu we've got papaya salad, some taro, some lupau, got a meal. Oh, got a pig head, that's a bonus. And then we've got a filet elingi, mackerel, and coconut cream. Yeah, what a bite. Alright. There guys. That is really good. I want to try some of the salad. Gotta get me some of that papaya in there too. Alright, let's try. That's a really good salad. Combined with this fish. Oh. One thing I've been really looking forward to try is this outlet they'll make, where you used passion fruit leaves, also the muscle oi fruit. So I'm really keen to try the muscle oi. Try breaking up the muscle oi here. Oh, with this I'm gonna try it. Let's see if muscle oi is good. Oh yeah. That doesn't taste like any luau I've had before. It's got a very unique flavor to it. I said mangongi luau. Mangongi umad masoi. Sekio. It was something I learned my command. Oh, tell some wife's uncle actually showed him how to do this. Oh, even the taro with the skin on. The taro is really soft. There's one more thing I haven't tried, and that's the head. Try some of this juice now that we made. Right, so in here there's pineapple, coconut. Let's try. Oh yeah. So on coconut juice, check here. Oh man, the combination of the coconut juice with the pineapple, you can really taste it. Yeah, guy get it. Check here. Well, we're gonna finish our food now. Hope you guys enjoyed that video as much as we enjoy making them. So, okay. I appreciate the boys putting in a lot of work. We did a lot today, so yeah, we hope you guys enjoyed the video. Yeah, fast forward.